Hello student, good morning to all of you. Once again I am going to taking your online class. Myself Gopal Srivastava, I am your science teacher. Student, in class 4 I have already completed the chapter number 1st and chapter number 2nd. Okay student, and now open your science book chapter number 3rd. Okay student, and today I will teach you chapter number 3rd, the topic safety and first aid. What is the topic of today is safety and first aid. So student, class 4th, subject science, and topic safety and first aid. First aid. Okay student, it is very necessary to in our daily life, that is the safety. Student, safety means to prevent from the various accidents. Okay, so safety means being safe. Safety means being safe, being safe whatever in the our in surrounding, or inside the home, inside the kitchen or bathroom, or at home, around the at home. So there are many places where we follow some safety rules to prevent from the accidents. Okay, whatever the school, whatever on the road. So student, open your book and open chapter number 3rd, student, safety and first aid. Okay student, now open page number 28. You student, in case of any person got injured, then you suffered from the any accidents, what should be given first aid? We should given the first aid. First aid means the a medicine which are given immediate to a injured person before the arrival of the doctor. Before the giving the proper treatment. This is the first aid. So safety at home. First started the safety from at home. Safety at home. So one should always be careful in the kitchen. Okay student, what should be precaution when we are doing something in kitchen student? Always use the step ladder when we are using the shelf which are higher from our height. There are so many shelves are situated in the kitchen. Okay student, and do not use the electric gadgets with bare hand, barefoot, and you always wear the cotton clothes when you are making some foods on the gas stoves. Okay student, so student, don't use the nylon clothes because it catches fire very easily. Okay student, so there are some precautions which are follow when are you in the kitchen and in the bathroom. In the bathroom. There are two dangerous places in the bathroom. First, the electric geyser, very common today in our daily life, that is electric geyser, and bathroom, and use a bathroom shower, because student, because it keep from the sleeping, it keep the sleeping. Use the bathroom. What use the in bathroom? Bath mat. Use the bath mat in the shower. Okay student. Or and use don't use the electric appliances with a wet hand. Okay student. And do not use the any switch with bare foot or wet floor. Okay, so this is some tips in the bathroom by which we follow some safety rules to provide the accidents. And safety around at home. Safety around at home. At home, safety around at home. What safety? Means when you are something playing at your home with toys, bat balls, and some other playing games. So don't never leave your toys at scattered in your home. Please collect all these and put it in the safe places. Okay student. And there are some other tips by which we can follow by some safety at home. Student, never take medicine without the consent of the doctor. Don't use any medicine, or consult your elders. Always consult your elders. And what the other tips by which we can prevent the accident at home? Student, do not eat exposed or spoiled food, because by it we can got the food poisoning or stomach ache. So avoid eating the spoiled food. And student, keep away from detergents, chemicals such as the floor cleaner and phenyl. Keep away from the reach of the children at your home. Don't play with the sharp knives or glass bottles at your home, student. And student, there are some other tips which are also given in your book. I hope you will all read properly. And safety at schools. Safety at school. This is very important place, student. Safety at your school. Student, don't jump or run on the bench and desks. Don't jump, and don't rushes on the staircase. Don't push on the staircase to any person who is going to forward to you. Okay student. And always go properly with your right way. And student, learn the proper way in the school. Don't run at the staircase. And student, do not make noise in the bus, because it makes the disturbance to the driver. Okay student. So there are some 2 and 3 tips by which you can follow at your school places. And also follow the rules of the games. Always follow the rules of games in the school premises. Okay student. And student, do not bring the sharp object like the blades and knife in the school premises. Okay student. And student, be careful at school. And student, the next is safety on the road. Very important, safety on the road. What safety? We should always follow some safety rules, safety road rules. So always we walk on the footpath. When you are crossing, always use the zebra crossing. Where you do zebra crossing, first you see the right side, then left side, then again see the right side. Then you can cross the road, because it makes you the prevent from the accidents. Okay student, and follow always the traffic light. There are three traffic light: green, red and yellow. Yellow tell us to ready, and green tell us to go, and red tell us to stop. Green tell us to go, red tell us to stop. Don't go forward. And student, always walk on the footpath. And student, on the roadside where no footpath, always you will go on your right side. When any vehicles which are coming from forward to us, always we cross, always we walk on your right side. And student, while riding a bicycles or motorcycles, always obey the traffic rules. Always wear the helmet. When you use the car, always use the seat belt. Okay student, they are some tips by which we can prevent the accident, because in the road accident many lives or losses in the road accidents. So always follow the safety rules on the roads. Okay student, and open the page number student. Next page, what is the concept check? Page number 32. Page number 32 open. Safety at home, in the bathroom, safety around at home, safety at school, safety on the road. Okay student? Now the concept by which we can solve after reading the previous topics, the safety rules. What student given in the concept check? Page number 32. Okay. Take a pencil and eraser and tick the correct above the right answer. Gas stoves, electricity and sharp knives are safe or dangerous to play with. So student, where you make the tick, dangerous, not dangerous, 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 tick this on the dangerous. Second, eating stale, spoiled or exposed food can or cannot cause food poisoning. So student, can cause food poisoning, because spoiled food causes the food poisoning. Second, cannot, not, click on the cannot, on the can. Third, while riding a bicycle, keep to the right or left on the road. Student, when you are riding the bicycles or motorcycle, Okay, keep the left and obey the traffic. Keep the left and obey the traffic signal. Do not load the cycle with the another person or heavy goods. Okay, so keep the left on the road. Don't stick on the right, stick on the left. Fourth, carelessness या carefulness on the road can lead to dangerous accidents. So student, carefulness, tick on the carefulness. Carefulness. Okay. Fifth, using sharp object like blade in the class can cause headache or injury. Headache, no, injury. 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 Take the all in your textbook. Student, follow the answer in the textbook with the help of pencil. Okay, student, follow. Now student, I am going to teach the next topic, that is first aid. Student, you know what is the definition of the first aid? Student, first aid, what is the first aid? First aid is the immediate help. First aid is the immediate help. First aid is the immediate help that can be given to an injured person before the arrival of doctor. Okay, student, or the proper medical aid, or the proper medical aid. Okay, student. So this is very important to know what is the situation of the injured person. After know the situation, then you should try the first aid to an injured person. Okay, student. There are many types of the accidents. Suppose animal bites, small cuts on the skin, fracture, swelling, and insect bites, nose bleeding. So there are some tips of the first aid by which we can prevent the life of an injured person. So it is very necessary to know some first aid. So student, make a first aid box at your home and keep some medicines, some things inside the first aid box, that is the bandage, any antibiotic cream, and Savlon or Dettol, and some bandage and some bandage and some small bandage, some bigger bands and some cottons, scissors, and you can also keep some medicines like the Disprin and Combiprams. This is very useful in the body pain. Okay, student. So this is the definition. The first aid is the immediate help that can be given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor or the proper medical aid. Okay, student. So one should know how to provide the first aid. One should know how to provide the first aid in some common situation. So student, let us study about the some first aid in the common situation. First aid in common situation. Student, like some first aid for a minor cut, minor burn. Okay, first aid in minor burn. Suppose we are getting burned by the matchsticks or the burner. So student, affected, put the affected part on the under the pot in the water, under running tap. Okay, student, under the running tap, cold water. Okay, we pour some cold water on the affected part. Okay, student, after part cold water for few minutes. After that, you can apply an antiseptic cream like Bernol, Silverex. It's the ointment which is used at the burn area. Okay, student, this can make the burn worse. So student, if the burn are serious, burn are so very big, call the doctor immediate. Okay, student. Second, student, for cut, small cut or scrap, scrap. If there is bleeding, small bleeding on the cut part area, affected area, so clean the affected part with the cotton first of all to stop the bleeding. Okay, you can also use some alums, make the powder of alums and put on the affected part to prevent the bleeding. When bleeding is not stopped within the 10 minutes, call the doctor immediate. Okay, student, call the doctor immediate. Okay, student, if the skin is broken or cut, small cut or thin layer, use the any antiseptic cream. Okay, student, soframycin, betadine, they are some antiseptic cream, and cover with the bandage. Apply the antiseptic and then put the bandage, cotton, and bind it. Okay, student, if the bleeding does not stop, call the doctor immediate. So student, don't go fast. The chapter third, read slowly. So write down the homework. Homework. First, read about safety. Okay, student, read about the safety on the road, at school, at home, at kitchen, in the bathroom. Student, read some 2-3 points in each places: on the road, at the school, at home, at kitchen, in the bathroom. Okay, student, I hope you are all read at these points from the textbook. Okay, student, thank you. Have a nice day. Write down the homework. Okay, student, thank you.